So how do you delete videos from the iPad storage? Let's talk about it. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe to Foxtecc because I have so many tutorials and explanations like this one. So at first, it depends on where you have the videos to begin with. For example, most people, myself included, store their videos inside of the Photos app. It's the gallery where you can browse all of the pictures as videos as well. And if you want to delete them, right, what you're going to do is obviously select them, click on the delete. They are going to be moved to the recently deleted folder, and you can either wait 30 days for that to be like completely empty, or you can even go there to that folder and manually permanently decide to remove them. So this is only if you have the photos and videos stored in the main gallery app. But you might also have videos stored in the Files app, so you can go there and check out either the local storage or even iCloud, right? And you can as well locate your videos right here. So if you want to delete videos from the iPad storage, they might be part of that folder, right? So you can as well similarly locate it in here, hold down on it, click on the delete, and it's also going to be part of the recently deleted folder. So you can then just permanently delete it, and you're going to be good with them. They are going to be gone forever. So that is how you can delete them from the iPad storage. One more thing though, which could kind of like prevent you from having full access to that video pool of your, of your storage, is if you have the iCloud synchronization enabled. If you check out your settings, find your profile and go to iCloud, you can see the photos situation. And if you have syncing of the iPad enabled, it just means that you are actively connected with your iCloud photos, meaning that the videos captured on your iPad will be uploaded to iCloud, and you don't really know which videos are stored locally and which are on the cloud, and it kind of makes it harder to distinguish between them. So if you want to delete everything, I would recommend you to turn it off, and then you should be fine. So I would really love to hear below in the comments if you actually managed to make it work, and if the video has helped you out, hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.